How to create an Etsy seller account. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in this link www.etsy.com/sell. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official Etsy sell page. Click on the option Get Started. Once you do that, you'll have to sign in or create the account for yourself. You can continue with email address, Google, Facebook or Apple. Click on the option of your choice. I'm going to enter my email address over here. Click on the option Continue. Once you do that, enter your first name. Create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Click on the option Create Account. Verify your email. Go to New tab. Click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Find the email sent by Etsy. Click on it. In this email, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the Etsy tab. Enter the 6-digit code over here. Click on the option Submit. Now you can see over here you'll be able to set up your shop. Click on the option Let's do this. Answer all the questions. Click on the option of your choice and click on the option Next. Keep on doing that. Once you do that, you'll have to enter all of these informations. Enter the shop preferences, name your shop, select how you'll get paid, share your billing info and your shop security. Your Etsy seller account has already been created. Set up your shop and you'll be able to start selling on Etsy. In order to get the detailed tutorial, you can watch our video how to start an Etsy shop. So like this, you can create an Etsy seller account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.